If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says, please try again later, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including browser problems, blocked cookies, VPN conflicts, cached data, or even a temporary outage on X itself. So we'll start with the simplest fixes first and then move into the more advanced ones if needed. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells YouTube that this video is useful for people who need it. Alright, let's start with the easiest fix first. Open X in an incognito or private browsing window. If you're on Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift and N. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift and P. Then go to x.com and try signing in again. The reason this works is because private mode starts with a cleaner session and ignores some of the browser data that may be causing the error. If X works fine in incognito mode, then the problem is most likely in your regular browser settings or stored site data. If that does not work, the next thing you want to do is clear your browser cookies and cache. This is one of the most common fixes for the "please try again later" message. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then find Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. Clearing this data gives your browser a fresh start and removes anything that may be interfering with the X login process. Now, if you're still stuck, check whether you have any VPN turned on. A VPN can sometimes cause X to flag your connection or block the login attempt entirely. So turn off your VPN completely and reload the page. If you're using browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or even Brave Shields, try temporarily disabling them for x.com. These extensions can sometimes interfere with authentication, loading, or security checks on the site. If the error still appears, the next step is to try a password reset. Even if you think your password is correct, resetting it can refresh your login session and clear any server-side token issues that may be causing the problem. Go to the X login page, click Forgot Password, and follow the prompts using your username, email, or phone number. Then create a new password and try signing in again. In many cases, this is enough to fix a stubborn login error that won't go away with normal browser troubleshooting. If you're on Windows, you can also try flushing your DNS cache. This is a more advanced step, but it can help if your system is holding on to outdated network information. To do this, click the Windows Start button, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After that, restart your computer and open X again. This can help clear network routing issues that may be affecting access to the site. If nothing has worked so far, the issue may not be on your device at all. Sometimes X has regional outages, backend problems, or account limits that trigger this message for many users at once. In that case, check a service like Down Detector and search for X outages to see whether other people are reporting the same issue. If there's a spike in reports, then the best move may be to wait a little while and try again later once the platform is stable. You should also check whether your account has hit any temporary limits. If you've been viewing, refreshing, or attempting logins too frequently, X may restrict some actions for a short period. That usually clears on its own after some time, so don't keep spamming the login page. Give it a break, try again later, and see if the error disappears. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are: try incognito mode, clear cookies and cache, disable VPNs and extensions, reset your password, flush DNS if needed, and check for outages or account limits. Most people will get back in using one of those steps. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.